Alengeta obochenu lero nigo lyalengeri tukolio gochengera obochenu anene asensemo yobongo libanyekanete buna World Mental Day eyo bali gochengerwa Sichi County au county ya Kisii tetigari timagega asumo yigo yoba ko gochengerwa nani gabateneni kurwa asensemo yobochenu wanyara bakubolia abantu gwesokia nekera bwate birengererie binge gento gikwira abantu kunyara kwerusi obugima omulikito bene Josephat Amisi noroboti rwa senchera yobuime.
County ya Kisii nigo yasanga nense ya Kenya na boigone kisa chinde lyogo chengera lituko ulia maroire au yobongo
koli nene tokukwa na igoro ya lituko ligo chengerwe nsengima igoro ya maroire ya kebongo lero twaomera ni lera ido buna Kisii County byombe wao nenya kitari ya Kisii County Hospital gocha gosemia abantu baito igoro ya maroire ya kebongo marore yake bongo kuna ntoba Gusii abantu abange bakoga buna naborogi lakini yenge ntogote y'abantu baito marore yake bongo tari borogi obono borero ndo kwensi aranyore niche busaye ndo kwensi nabako banyora.
And I want to say that mental health may just begin like mild stress. If mild stress is not taken care of, it will build up to moderate stress. It goes to extreme stress, and finally it will enter into depression. And if we talk about mental health, depression is one of the greatest challenge in mental health.
Ime yomochi okisi ebyombe bikora wenenya gitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital nigo byabolia okubwaterana konyara kobagokobo elikwenekia buna ebirengo byoborero bwanyale ko babikoira nanse boigo nigo babolirie ekiganje kelikia NHF kenyara ko bagegweso kena gokonya asobo bwenya bwa maroire au yobongo.
Mental health, and we want people to know that when you're unwell, you can come and you get treated. It's mental health is very important because when you're not okay, you cannot function to your full capacity. So,
and to raise people about NHIF awareness to our mental patients, which can help them in our facility, and they should not neglect our patients who suffer from mental illnesses. They need support and love. As we are celebrating World Mental Day, we should support our mental patients and survivors.
Boigo nigo abantu bali baiteire obokongo boborere bwabongo babolirie ogotanchererigwa ase amate oseko nengetwa.
And what I was going through, people tried to invalidate my feelings and tell me why are you stressed over small things? Others have worse things than you. So I felt a lot of stigma, both from close family and close friends. The other challenge that I faced was that wherever I needed someone to go with for therapy and for treatment to the doctor's appointment, people feared going with me.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwe obogatikati bomuchi obosongo ime county ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amisi.
Mbiabono omulikito Josephat Amisi hasorobocherwa senchira yoboikirano boy